I have written some letters and now we will fill up the blanks and complete the alphabets A to Z. Okay, let's start. Which letter is this? This is capital letter A. And what comes after A? Yes, B. Which letter is this? This is capital letter C. What comes after C? D. A, B, C, D. Which letter is this? This is capital letter E. What comes after E? Yes, this is F. Which letter is this? This is capital letter G. What comes after G? H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I. This is I. What comes after I? Capital letter J. Which letter is this? This is capital letter K. What comes after K? L. Capital letter L. Which letter is this? This is capital letter M. What comes after M? Yes, N. M, N. Which letter is this? This is capital O. What comes after O? Yes, P. O, P. Which letter is this? This is capital letter Q. And what's come after Q? Yes, R. After R, which letter is this? Yes, it's S. And what comes after S? Yes, T. Capital letter T. S, T. Which letter is this? This is U. What comes after U? What comes after U? V. S, T, U, V. Which letter is this? This is capital letter W. What's come after W? Yes, X. Capital letter X. Which letter is this? This is capital letter Y. And what comes after Y? Yes, this is capital letter Z. Now repeat it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now children, repeat the black color letter. This is A. This is C. This is E. This is G. I. K. M. O. Q. S. U. W. Y. Now repeat the yellow color letter. B. D. F. H. J. L. M. P. R T V X Z. Okay kids, keep watching my channel. This is only just for you. And subscribe the Mont World.